Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Cash App into a business account. Okay, it is worth noting before you do change your personal account to a business account, you will be charged 2.75% on all payments that go into your Cash App. So no longer will you get any free transactions that you do with a personal account. Let's say if a friend pays you, I don't know, sends you $10 or something, then it won't actually be free anymore. You can, if you like, have two accounts, one that's personal and one that is a business account if that's what you need it for. Also, another feature with having a business account with Cash App is if you get paid into your personal account on Cash App, you can transfer it instantly to your business account and it'll actually be free. So let's go ahead and look at how to actually change your personal account on Cash App to a business account. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is go up to our profile icon in the top right hand corner. And then on the next page, you're going to select personal. And then if we scroll down to the bottom, here you can see right at the bottom, switch to a business account. So if you select that, so here it will actually show you the benefits of switching to a business account. So you can obviously reach more customers, but there is a simple and transparent pricing of, like I said before, 2.75% to sell. So anytime you receive a payment in, they will take 2.75% of that amount. It's worth noting if you don't want to pay the fees, if you carried on using a personal account and we're accepting business payments, if Cash App then realize this, what they can actually do is stop your account. So it's worth, if you're going to be doing business, just to switch to a business account. So then if you scroll to the bottom and switch to a business account, so once you're happy and you move over to a business account, the changes that I think happen are your cash tag has a little building next to it just to show that it's a business account. And that's it, guys. That is how you turn your Cash App account into a business account.